Hi my loves. Okay, so today we're going to be doing a push-up variation video. So we're going to be doing things to make eventually the push-up happen, okay? So we're doing two exercises, that's it, only two. We're going to work triceps and you're going to see what else we're going to work, yeah? So from here, we're going to come first, you're going to lie down completely on your stomach. Oh, this is cold. Okay, you're going to lie down completely on your stomach. You want your shoulders towards you. As you get your shoulders towards you, your feet are relaxed, okay? The first thing I want you to do is I want you all to engage your core. So as you engage your core, you're just going to lift stomach off and release. This is all we're doing, okay? So engaging core. 1 and down. 2 and down. 3 and down. 4 and down. Last one, 5. We're going to stay here for 5. Keep breathing. 4. Don't let the stomach touch. 3, 2, 1. Release. Now what we did is we activated our core. We are now going to use this to lift ourselves up, okay? So from here we're going to go into a semi bhujang asana, okay? So you're going to get first your elbows towards each other. Your feet are relaxed, okay? You're going to boom, pop your stomach up, relax. Now as we do this, you're just going to come up little bit and down. That's it. We are working our triceps. So if you've never ever done a push-up, this is what you're going to do. Inhale, elbows towards each other. Exhale, feet together and lift your stomach. 1 and down. Do not get your chest and down on the floor. 3 and down. Feel it in your fingertips as well. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to stay here for 10. Keep breathing. Don't let your stomach hang. 9. Feel the triceps burn. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Now try and push your shoulders back. Correct. 2, 1. Relax. How are you feeling? Little worked out, no? Oh my god. Feel it in the arms. Stretch your arms out. Now the second, once you've got this, do it a couple of times. Once you've got this, we can do the same thing on our knees, okay? So we're going to come up, almost same thing. So you come up on your knees. As you come up on your knees, you want to try and take your weight forward, okay? You do not want to take your weight back, okay? We are not doing this, no. You remember, never arch your back. Take that tailbone in, walk forward. As we do this, you want to try and get your chin in front. Do not get your chin down to where your hands are, okay? So you do not want to get your chin here, okay? Or do this weird thing, okay? This, we do not want to try and strengthen our neck, okay? Maybe later, but not in this push-up position. From here, inhale, take the weight forward, exhale. Inhale, exhaling, you're going to go down. 1 and push. 2 and push. You're just doing 10. 3 and push. Keep breathing. 4 and push. 5 and push. 6 and push. 7 and push. 8 and push. 9 and push. Last one, 10. We're going to hold here. Stay. 5. Keep breathing. 4. I know you're dying a little bit. It's okay. 3. Breathe. 2. 1. Push and relax. Okay. Oh, relax in child's posture. You're going to take your hands forward and drop your head down. Stretch out your shoulder blades. Breathe. Stay. 10. Breathe. 9. Stretch out your shoulder blades. 8. Walk out with your fingers if you want. 7, 6, 5, 4. Relax the head. 3, 2, 1. Come back up. Okay, so now if you cannot come up off the floor, it's very simple, okay? All we're going to do the same thing, just watch once, relax. You're going to go down all the way up. From here, what we're going to do is you're going to take again the stomach, push 1 and come down. The same thing in the beginning. This is how you're going to build your, it's like I'm relaxing on the floor. This is how you're going to build your push-ups, okay? So, if you can't come up all the way, you're going to go down, relax. From here, the same thing as level 1, going to push, come down. 2, come down. 3, come down. 4, come down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, stay 5, always stay 4, build a little bit more strength, 3, take your tailbone in, 2, 1, relax. So even if you do level 1, you will still feel it in your triceps. I'm popping it out so you can see, maybe it's popping, I have no idea. So you will feel it in your triceps, you'll feel it in your front deltoids, you will feel it in your biceps as well. So it's working all muscles even if you can't do a full push-up. Yeah? So don't stress. Eventually, over a period of time, when you go down, you can come up a little bit, then you go down. Then maybe you come up a little bit more, then you go down. Then you come a little bit more, then you come down. Then you come down. And then all the way up, and you will be a pro at this. Remember, it's a process. It will happen eventually. You need to keep putting in the work gradually. I promise you, you put in the work, put in consistency, and it'll happen. Yeah? Till I see you next time, practice daily, stay safe, stay humble.